Look, I understand that sculpting the human figure can be overwhelming. No matter how many times you place the muscles and the bones of the figure, something just doesn't look right. Well, figure sculpting is more than just anatomy. We're not sculpting an anatomy model, we're sculpting a human figure. And anatomy is part of that, but where so many artists go wrong is they focus exclusively on anatomy, and they don't learn the other pieces of the puzzle. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to sculpt realistic figures by simplifying the complexity of the body into manageable shapes and forms. This course is built to help you completely transform your figures. With over 20 hours of real-time training, you learn fundamental principles, a clear process, and how to create figures that are appealing, getting you to a point where you truly understand the structure of the body and can tackle any figure with confidence. In addition, we're using old sculptures as reference, learning from the old masters themselves. High-quality 3D scan references that help us understand the form and the structure of the body beyond just anatomy, helping us construct accurate and emotional sculptures that tell a story. I spent 5 months creating this course so you can have the confidence and resources to sculpt any figure just like the old masters did. This is not just a standard course. I want to break that chain and teach not only how to sculpt the human figure, but the process behind it, the most effective way to accomplish it, and principles that can be applied to every future sculpt. FlippedNormals and myself are extremely excited to bring you this tutorial series, and I'll see you in chapter 1.